Hi, I recently went on a long vacation, 14 days long, and I had to leave all my bonsai plants in the apartment all alone with no one to take care of them. So, how many survived? How many died? What's the damage? Let's find out. Before leaving for my vacation, I had collected all my bonsai plants from the two balconies of my flat/apartment and brought them into my dining room. The glass wall that separates the balcony from the dining room offers plenty of indirect light to my temporary setup. A tub of water was kept elevated in the center and my pots were placed all around it. I used cotton wicks and some strips of old cloth for supplying water to the pot. I left home with some sadness, expecting very few plants to survive the 14 days long vacation. This trip was unavoidable since I had to prove to my 10-year-old son that I actually loved him more than my plants. When I returned, luckily the sight I saw was this. All my plants were alive, including some recently repotted plants and all my hydroponic plants. The water had not dried up at all. So this experiment was a 100% success. Vinay, you are a genius. Three reasons for my success: pruning, more soil in my mix, and cloudy to rainy weather. I had heavily pruned the tops to reduce the water consumption. They were not this green when I left them 2 weeks ago. Around 2 months ago, I had repotted all my plants, and this time my soil mix had more ground soil than before as an experiment. So naturally it retained more water and for a longer time, working out to my benefit. Throughout the 2 weeks, the weather remained cloudy or rainy, thus resulting in cooler temperatures and more humidity, and hence less water consumption by my plants. The weather really helped because even the plants that were not connected to the water tub easily survived. These cloth strips were a waste because they dried up very fast and failed to deliver water to the soil. In comparison, the cotton wicks performed far better. Even after 2 weeks, they were still wet and delivering water to the soil in the pots. All my hydroponic plants were taken out of their individual containers and kept in these shallow tray of water, hoping that the water would not dry up, else the plants would surely die. My biggest worry was for these hydroponic plants. Some of my smaller plants were moved to the smaller balcony in the kitchen area, and the rest were moved to the main balcony of my flat/apartment. Both balconies received direct sunlight for about half a day. Most of them are potted in plastic colanders and sitting over pots or trays of soil. Having soil below the colanders helps in absorbing excess water from them. Also, the roots are encouraged to grow into them and will be treated as sacrificial roots. The story of some of these plants are yet to be told, and I will soon be making videos on them.